Wombat poop is cube-shaped. These adorable marsupials have evolved to produce cube-shaped droppings that don't roll away, thanks to their unique digestive process and the elasticity of their intestines. Scientists believe this quirky adaptation helps wombats mark their territory more effectively, as the cube shape allows their feces to stack neatly on rocks and logs. This unusual trait not only helps in communication but also reduces the risk of losing valuable scent markers to the whims of gravity. The next time you think nature is weird, remember that wombats have perfected the art of poop origami.